Hello everyone, I am Mitali, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today, in this video, I will cover the topic Importance of Human Resource Management. Firstly, we will discuss what is Human Resource Management. It is in simple to select the right person at the right place for the right job is defined as the Human Resource Management. Now, what is the importance of human resource management? The first is formulation of HR policies, implementation of the HR policies, review of employee needs, development of social welfare, utilization of human resource, development of labor management relations, overall development of the organization. All these are the importance of human resource management. To attain and retain, train people for challenging roles, develop skills and competencies, promote team spirit, develop loyalty and commitment, increase productivity and profits, improve job satisfaction, enhance standard of living, generate employment opportunities. All these are the importance of human resource management which help good HR and practice help. Now, what is the scope of HRM? HRM starts from the employee entry till the exit of the same, and HRM covers everything under the sun. That is, activities under the HRM is HR planning, job analysis, employees hiring, recruitment and selection, orientation and placement, training and development. These are the activities under HRM. Now, what is the role of HRM? The first is advisory role, personal policies, personal procedures, functional role, and the last is service role. These are the roles covered under the HRM. What are the functions under HRM? There are mainly two functions, managerial functions and operative functions. Under the managerial functions, as we all know, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And under the operative function, procurement, development, compensation, maintenance and motivation, and the last is integration. These are the functions under human resource management. Now, what is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling? Planning means plan and research about wage trends, labor market, etc. And what is organizing? Manpower and resource organization. Staffing. Under the staffing, we consist recruitment and selection. And under the directing, issuance of orders and instructions to follow plan action. Under the controlling, to regulate the activities. Now, operational functions of HRM consist of the first is procurement. Under the procurement, planning, recruitment and selection, induction and placement. Under the development, T&D, training and development, career planning and counseling. Under the compensation, wage and salary administration, maintenance consists of improving work conditions, retentions. And under the separation caused by resignations, retirement, death and medical cases, etc. These are the functions under the human resource management. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel RPIIT.